Hey everyone, as you can see, this is Rapoo V500 Pro mechanical keyboard, and in this video I'm going to show you a practical review of this keyboard, how to change the animation, how to change the colors, and what we can do using the keyboard, and what kind of functionalities we can get from the keyboard, and how the keyboard sounds. So at first, let's see how to change the animation of the keyboard. Like right now you can see the blinking or scrolling type of animations in the keyboard. Let's see how to change the animation. So at first, as you can see, here is a button named FN. If you click on this button, and there is another button called PRTSC, print screen. I think its full form is print screen. So if you press on FN and print screen, we will see the animation is changing. Let's change again. See, now it's completely on, and let's click on the print screen and FN button again. You will see the fading in and fading out animation. We can also control the speed of the animation. We can control the brightness of the colors. So let's change it again. See, so this is another type of animation, like scrolling and fading in, fading out. So let's control the speed of the animation. Click on the FN and click on the left or right arrow. The left arrow will decrease the animation speed, and right one will increase the animation speed, like FN and the right arrow, increasing the speed of the animation. See how the animation speed is increased. And if you want to control the brightness of the animation, of the light, you can do that as well using the FN button and the up and down button. If you do this, the brightness will increase. The FN button and the up button, this will increase the brightness. And if you click on the bottom button with the FN key, it will decrease the brightness. Right now, as you can see, the light is completely turned off. Let's increase the light a bit. This is the level 1, I think. Again. So this is how we can increase the brightness of the keyboard. And FN plus print screen button will change the animation. FN left and right will control the speed of the animations. Right now I'm decreasing the speed. See how it is decreased. And if I click on right button, then it will increase. If I click on the bottom button, it will decrease the light brightness of the light, and up button will increase the brightness of the light. So if you want to turn the light completely, if you want to turn off the light completely, then you can reduce the brightness like this. Okay, so right now, as you can see, it is completely turned off. We can increase as well, print, and using this we can change the animation. So this is the thing, and let's see how the keyboard sounds. Okay, the sound is pretty good. I like the sound very much. Even a simple click make a very good sound. And we will get all the buttons here. As you can see, all kind of button this keyboard has. Just click on the bar. The keyboard makes very good sounds. So I think this is a very practical review, and let's show you the bottom side of the keyboard. Just a minute. Here is the bottom side of the keyboard. You can down it. You can turn it on or off like this. Make it a bit tilt. Looks very good, and this is very heavy. very heavy keyboard. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I think this is a very practical video for you. Though I'm not a very much professional YouTuber, but I think this video will help you to control the animation, the brightness, and anything else. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.